Hi, I'm Emily. I'm an artist and art tutor from New Zealand, and I'd like to welcome you to my course, Drawing Everyday Objects. If you found your way here, it's because you want to learn how to draw or because you want to improve your drawing skills. And what better way to practice drawing than by sketching what we see around us? In this course, we'll be focusing on drawing the types of everyday objects you'll find in your own space. And like these useful and practical objects around us, this course is also practical. We won't be drawing in the tradition of the masters and painstakingly copying plaster casts or spending hours perfectly shading a sphere. Now, there's nothing wrong with those approaches, but I've designed this course specifically for people who want to learn how to draw quickly without spending hours on impractical exercises. And this doesn't mean we'll be skipping over the important stuff. You'll learn fundamental skills such as sketching, proportion, shading and line quality, but you'll be learning them in a practical and interesting way. Now, I won't just show you how to draw, I'm actually going to teach you how to draw through explanations, through draw-along tutorials, through practical worksheets and suggestions for ways to practice what you've learned. You don't need any previous drawing experience to take this course, but if you're already drawing, this course is also a great way to refine your existing skills by trying out a new subject. And you'll be surprised at how interesting everyday objects can be once you start drawing them. So if you're ready to start drawing and if you want an easy and interesting way to learn to draw, join me in this course and let's get started.